Welcome back to Edulexis. Today, on day 35, we are going to master a critical concept for any professional Python developer: virtual environments. Imagine you are building two different applications on your computer. One requires an old version of a package, and the other requires the newest version. If you update it globally, your first application breaks. This is exactly where virtual environments come to save us. Today, you will learn why we need them and how to use them easily. Let's get started. Before we write any code, let's understand the core problem. By default, when you install Python packages using pip, they are installed globally on your computer. This means all your Python projects share the exact same folder of external packages. When Project A demands an older version of a library and Project B demands a newer version, a conflict occurs. This dependency conflict can completely break your working code. A virtual environment solves this perfectly. It is an isolated, self-contained directory on your computer that contains its own Python installation and its own independent set of installed packages. Think of it as a private sandbox for each individual project. Whatever you install inside this sandbox stays inside it and does not interfere with your main system configuration or other projects. Let's see this in action. Python comes with a built-in tool called venv to create these environments. You don't need to install any external tools. Open up your code editor, open your terminal, and make sure you navigate to the folder where you want to create your project directory. We will write our command here. To create a new virtual environment, type this simple command in your terminal: python rem venv myenv and hit enter. Here, python rem venv tells Python to run the built-in venv module, and myenv is the custom name we are giving to our environment folder. You can name it anything you like, but myenv or genv is common. Look at the file explorer on the left. A new directory named myenv has just appeared. If we look inside, we see a clean, miniature copy of Python, along with a standalone pip executable and a scripts folder. However, creating the folder doesn't mean it is running yet. Our system is still using global Python. We must activate it. Activating the environment tells your terminal to stop using global Python and start using the environment's isolated Python instead. The command varies slightly depending on your operating system. If you are on Windows, you will run the script located inside the folder by typing myenv/scripts. Let's type that out. Notice what happened to my terminal prompt as soon as I hit enter. You can now see myenv written inside parentheses right at the start of the line. This visual prefix is your clear confirmation that your virtual environment is officially active. Any command we run from this point forward operates inside this bubble. If you are working on a Mac or a Linux system, the command to activate is slightly different because folders are structured differently. You will type source myenv activate and hit enter. Just like Windows, your terminal prompt will instantly display the myenv prefix. Now everyone is on the same page. Let's verify our isolation. Type pip list and press enter. This command displays all packages installed in the current environment. Look at the output, it only shows pip and setup tools. It is completely clean, regardless of how many dozens of packages you might have installed globally on your machine. Now let's install a third-party package called requests. Type pip install requests and hit enter. Pip downloads and installs the package successfully. Now, if we type pip list again, you can see requests listed right here. It exists solely inside our environment, completely invisible to the rest of your computer. When sharing your project with others, you don't send the entire environment folder because it's too large. Instead, you share a list of your dependencies. Type pip freeze requirements.txt. This command automatically creates a clean text file containing a perfect list of all your active packages and their exact versions. Let's open requirements.txt. As you can see, it simply holds text names and version numbers. If someone else downloads your project, they don't have to manually figure out what to install. They can simply run a single command, pip install our requirements.txt to perfectly replicate your exact setup instantly. Once you are finished working on your project, you can easily exit your sandbox. You do not need to close your code editor or terminal window. Simply type the command deactivate and press enter. Notice that the venv prefix vanishes instantly. You are now back to using your global system Python environment. To recap day 35, virtual environments keep your Python projects safe, structured, and free from library version conflicts. Always create one for every new project you build from today onwards. Thank you for learning with Edulexis. Don't forget to practice these commands right now on your machine, like this video, and subscribe to the channel for day 36. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.